Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your monitor to your laptop using HDMI. So if you want to connect your laptop to monitor using HDMI, this is what you need to do. Ensure that you have a HDMI cable connected from the monitor. And of course, the power cable needs to be plugged in and the monitor is turned on. Once you do that, find that HDMI cable from that monitor. Find the HDMI cable from that monitor. Find the HDMI port on your laptop and just simple put it inside and just go ahead and click it like that. Once you press it in, you will see that both monitors will show something, right? And so they might show duplicate, they might show the same thing, or they might show different things. In this case, when you're seeing different things, it simply means that they're showing extended. If you plug in one and you realize only one is showing, it could be that it is set to show on one. And I'm going to show you how you find these settings. Right click on the desktop after you plug that in and click on display settings. Now right inside the display settings, you will see right here where it shows identify. This is good because you can use to identify which monitor is which, right, as you see there. And the other button right now is extended this display. In your case, if only one monitor is showing, if you click show on one, you will see like it look like this while the other monitor is blank. And so if you're seeing something like that, you want to go ahead and change the settings, right? So you'll basically, quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue. Choose the option to change it. In this case, I'm going to just revert back and you will see that it is. And if you, for example, plug in the monitor and you don't want to use your monitor, you can say show on two. But depending on which monitor is identified to be what, you can see right there as well, you can choose which one of them you want to turn on or off, right? While the other, you will just choose to extend or duplicate. And once you do that, you apply the settings and that's all there is to it.